Welcome back. I am Pratap here. Today is 29th May 2024. In this video, let us generate bullish and bearish trade setups for monthly income trade and weekly income trade. They are nothing but swing or positional income trades. So before generation of this report, let me make a small announcement. If this is your first visit to our channel, please understand we are providing complete free training on supply demand zone price action. All the training lessons are available at our NeoStock YouTube channel. You just need to click on this community tab. You will get access to this post. This post is also having a YouTube playlist link that will take you to all the training lessons. I'm clicking on this link. Now we are into the supply demand zone price action course. Here you have all the training lessons are available. You just need to scroll down to the bottom of this page. Here starting from lesson 1.1, we have all the training lessons are available in an order. So please go through all these lessons one by one and strengthen your skills related to supply demand zone price action. I have also provided the link to our Telegram channel in this YouTube video description. Please join in the channel. It will be helpful to you each time when we release a new YouTube video or any other important updates we will provide in the Telegram channel. Now let's get into the report generation with the help of NeoStock software supply demand zone top-down analysis strategy builder. The first report we are going to generate is bullish trade setup for monthly income trade. In monthly income trade, entry time frame is daily. But entry zone for a bullish trade setup should be demand zone. So we selected daily demand zone. And also a filter, bullish or bearish trade setup. This is the algorithm will be executed based on this parameter. So in this bullish or bearish trade setup parameter, in our entry time frame, that is a daily time frame, we have to select the value bullish. So telling the software generate bullish trade setup stocks. But while generating, we want to filter few other stocks also. So three parameters we are going to select. The first parameter is we don't want pierced zones because pierced zones are not tradable zones. So there is a parameter called pierced count, the last parameter in this page. In this entry time frame, that is daily time frame, you have to set a minimum value as 0, maximum value 0. Indicates pierced count should be 0. Pierced count 0 means the zone is not pierced. So it is a tradable zone. And the next parameter is zone achievement. Only those zones having the achievement VOZ, violated opposing zone, they are the tradable zones. So we selected VOZ. And third one is minimum odd enhancer score. It should be 12 for bullish or bearish trade setup. So with these values or with these filters, we are generating the report. Now we have good number of bullish trade setup stocks are filtered. In that Nifty 50 is also supporting bullish trade setup. Actually it is a high liquidity demand zone and also it is supporting bullish trade setup. Even Bank Nifty is also supporting, but Nifty 50 is near the high liquidity demand zone. This is also listed in stocks near demand and supply zones report also. And also it is identified as a high liquidity zone. And now it is identified as a bullish trade setup related stock. All these parameters are very, and see the odd enhancer score. It is 13, the value out of 15. So let me scroll the list down. I am giving you only few seconds time to watch this report. And any of the stocks you want to study, pause the video. After that you can proceed with the video. You can also draw the zones by taking the timestamps from this leg in column and this leg out column and the number of base candles column. If you are not aware of how to understand this report, I request you complete our training video lesson number 21.1, that is part 1 of lesson 21. In that video I explained each and every column in detail, their values and their abbreviations, everything I explained. So I am scrolling the list down. So 31 stocks, total 31 stocks are supporting bullish trade setup for monthly income trade. Now let us generate bearish trade setup for monthly income trade. So let me go back. For bearish trade setup for monthly income trade, entry time frame is still daily, but entry zone should be changed to supply zone for bearish trade setup. And also in bullish or bearish trade setup, at daily time frame, the bullish value I am changing to bearish. And the three filters what we already said, they are available, but this time these filters are applied to daily supply zone because our entry zone is a daily supply zone. So let me generate the report. So 3 stocks are filtered. Currently these 3 stocks are supporting a bearish trade setup for monthly income trade. Okay, now let us generate bullish and bearish trade setups for weekly income trade. For weekly income trade, entry time frame is 75 minutes. For bullish trade setup, entry zone is demand zone. And also in bullish or bearish trade setup, this time our entry time frame is changed. So here we need to look for 75 minutes time frame. There you need to select the value bullish. Apart from that, the 3 filters also we need to set. First one, zone should not be pierced. For that, pierced count should be set to 0. But entry zone is now 75 minutes. So minimum value I am setting to 0. Maximum value 0 indicates the zone is not pierced. Pierced count 0 means zone is not pierced. And the third filter, zone achievement, we are setting VOZ, violated opposing zone. And minimum odd enhancer score, I am setting the value 12, the minimum score. So with these filters, because these 3 filters are applied to 75 minutes demand zone. So with these filters, let us generate the report. So 12 stocks are filtered. So these 12 stocks are supporting bullish trade setup for weekly income trade. Okay, now let us generate bearish trade setup for weekly income trade. So I am going back. So entry time frame 75. That means for weekly income trade, entry time frame is 75 minutes. But bearish trade setup entry zone should be supply zone. And also in bullish or bearish trade setup, 75 minutes entry time frame, I am changing the value to bearish. Now the 3 filters what we set earlier, now they are applied to 75 minutes supply zone. With these filters, let us generate the report. So 3 stocks are filtered and they are supporting bearish trade setup for bearish trade setup for weekly income trade. So this is about bullish and bearish trade setup for monthly and weekly income trades. Now in the final report, let us generate the stop buffers based on daily ATR. I am generating. This is the daily ATR. 15% ATR you should use it for monthly income trade. 10% ATR you should use it for weekly income trade. And first 17 in this list are indices, sectorial indices. Remaining all are equity stocks, but we have taken from F&O category. So what I do, I keep on scrolling the list down, but each time when I scroll down, I will give you few seconds time. Any of the stock you want to refer, please pause the video. After that, you can proceed further. So let me scroll the list down. So this is the end of the report. Hope this information will be useful to you for your further study and analysis. Let us all meet again in our next video. Thank you.